Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by understanding what collagen does and how supplements differ. Look for hydrolyzed collagen labeled collagen peptides. Hydrolyzed peptides dissolve easily and absorb faster than gelatin. Types I and Roman III support skin and hair. Type Roman II supports joints. Marine collagen is rich in type I. Bovine supplies types I and Roman III. Chicken provides type Roman II. Aim for 5 grams per serving unless advised otherwise. Verify third-party testing and clear ingredient lists to confirm purity and absence of fillers. Decide on source based on goals and dietary restrictions. Choose marine for type I or bovine for types I and Roman III. If you need joint support, opt for chicken-derived type Roman II formulations. Check for third-party testing and certificates of analysis. Look for biomarkers like 5,000 Dalton average peptide size when listed. Avoid supplements with added sugars, artificial dyes, or unnecessary fillers. If you follow kosher, halal, or pescatarian diets, confirm sourcing and processing to match your requirements. Establish a practical dosing routine and safety checks before long-term use. Start with 5 grams daily and adjust up to 10 grams if needed. Some studies suggest 8-10 grams daily for joint benefits. Follow product guidance. Pair collagen with 50 mg vitamin C to aid synthesis and support skin collagen formation. Monitor for allergic reactions, especially with marine or egg-derived products. Consult your clinician before use if pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medications that affect protein metabolism or interact with supplements.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.